Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we would be covering about the keyboard shortcuts. So far, we have understood about certain basic concepts on the menu bar, dock, control center, and how gesture work in Mac, right? Now we would be covering some of the core concepts on the keyboard shortcuts. So keyboard shortcuts in the macOS is something which is very tremendous and we would be using throughout our journey. So keyboard shortcuts we often use in almost all the laptops, whether it's a Windows laptop, whether it's a mobile phone, or whether it's a Mac OS. We generally use different kind of shortcuts. So you might have heard about copy and paste, right? So that is also a kind of a shortcut where we use like Control C on Windows or Control V on the Windows, right, in order to copy and paste. Similarly, on the Mac as well, we do have certain shortcuts in order to achieve that features. So before we get into that, we have to understand about some of the core concepts which are available here and how the concept actually work on the Mac OS. So on the Mac OS, we do have different modifiers, and using that modifiers, like combining the modifiers with certain characters, we can achieve these shortcuts. So if we talk about modifier keys, we primarily have 5 different modifiers. The first modifier that we have is the command, which is basically acting as a primary action key. The second that we have is the option, that is acting as an alternate action. The third is the control, which is acting as a system level commands. The fourth one is the shift, which is acting as a selection or the uppercase. And the fifth one is the function, that act as a function keys or system features. Now, combining with all of those modifier keys, we can try to take advantage of different characters which are present on the keyboards. So say for example, if we use the combination of a modifier key of command with spacebar. So let me just press and show you. So if I just press this, that is command plus spacebar, so we would get a spotlight search. So this is a shortcut way in order to get a spotlight search here, or another way to get a spotlight search is on the right side of the menu bar. Now another way, another shortcut which is most widely used is option, command, and then space. So this is actually a way in order to find out the Finder search window directly. And also we might have seen that we have to switch between different applications more often, right? So that can be achieved using command and then tab. So tab key on the keyboard. So if you see here, we can switch between different applications when I press the command and tab key. And a list of different shortcuts which are available. So in the couple of different lectures, I would be attaching different articles where the most widely used keyboard shortcuts will be available. I would strongly recommend you to check out those, practice as much as you can, and try to grasp more keyboard shortcut, because it would actually increase your productivity to a greater extent, especially if you are a developer. So hope to see you in the next lecture.